What's up, guys? It's T-Pack here from Pearl Lemon Leads. Welcome to this video. I want to show you the power of basically brand mentions. Now, there's other tools that you could use for this. Okay, there's free tools, there's other tools. If I jump into if I jump into Pearl Lemon, okay, let's just go there. Pearl Lemon here. And there's something called a brand monitoring tool. So inside of this kind of setup, you have something called brand monitoring. Okay, so within brand monitoring, you could literally go in and you could ultimately see where you're getting, links from. So you could set up. So if you're going to, look at ultimately how you can generate links based upon places that you're getting ultimately, links from, and then it can tell you. So what we'll do is no link, save that, GTA World, like learn SEO online, and this is a good example of a place that has SEO tutorials and it doesn't link back currently to Pearl Lemon. So it's a useful way to find out where you're generating links from, and just really what then therefore you could do with some of these things. So Guardians of Azareth, CMS Wire, December the 10th, and these are the places that have a link to the website. No link, and then don't filter. If we have a look, then you'll find that the mentions found that there's 10. And then if we have a look at the keywords that we're looking for, we'll edit keywords, Pearl Lemon, www.pearllemon.com, and then Pearl Lemon. And what we'll do is we'll save those changes. What about your old mentions? What it will do is it will start finding mentions, as you can see. So you can search up to 3 with the with the SEMRush tool, and it's an excellent way of starting to reach out and find out, what people are doing and why they're mentioning you or where they're mentioning you, and then you can set up email reports. So I could then, in this case, have Adina get this report, and then me get this report. I agree with the privacy policy, and weekly Mondays at 8 AM, and it's an excellent way to start finding brand mentions of, your brand mentions in the media. Alright, cheers.